Hello and welcome everybody. Business stock on 27 November. Polestar stock nowadays is going to be very good. So since we see that great candles that increases in momentum, we can expect that if we went for 1 day update, we see the conclusion of this green candles that was on 1 week. If we went for 1 day, this give us red candles between them. However, it seems that increases in momentum. Okay, and this spike was regularly happening on 22 November. So I think this can be on Disney stock. Good luck, good thing that can happen. And since we go for a lot of parties that we see, this is going to be referring for us. The business stock is still running nowadays. So the thing is, it's very important on 1 week update is going to be this part that give us another candles and another one. That what can I say on this video about this stock.